Now the next thing I want to show you is a pivot report. Okay, and you can define it here. And we define a pivot report when we want to compare between data or categories and not to go row by row. Okay, for example, if we want to see orders by customers and by quarter, which quarter is strongest in sales? Or in purchasing, maybe I want to do a comparison between vendors or receive vendor payments by currency. Okay, in each vendor, how much I paid in each currency. Okay, so then I will choose the pivot table, and you must be familiar with it from Excel. It's very similar. So I will click on the pivot table, and now you can see that the x-axis column is active, and I want to choose the date as my x-axis field because I want to see the orders by quarters. Okay, and I will also change the format. And now let's organize our data a little bit. So I will remove this grouping, okay, because I want to see it according to the customers, and I will hide the order and the status, okay, and the currency. I will move them down.